Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to start your own business selling handmade leather accessories for cyclists. Cycling has exploded in popularity over the last decade. More and more people are riding bikes for transportation, exercise, and recreation. This growing market represents a major business opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to sell high-quality gear to cycling enthusiasts. One of the most sought-after accessories among cyclists are handmade leather goods like wallets, bags, phone cases, and other items. Leather holds up extremely well to the elements and develops a cool patina over time. Handmade leather goods also allow cyclists to express their personal style. Starting a handmade leather accessories business catering to cyclists is an amazing way to combine your passion for cycling with an exciting entrepreneurial venture. There's huge potential to grow a devoted customer base if you focus on quality craftsmanship and excellent service. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of how to start your own handmade leather cycling accessories business. Let's get started. Step 1. Source high-quality leather and cycling-related hardware. The quality of your raw materials is crucial for crafting durable, beautiful products. Only use full-grain, top-shelf leather from reputable suppliers. I recommend Tandy Leather, Weaver Leather Supply, and Buckle Guy. For cycling-specific hardware like buckles, snaps, and zipper pulls, check out Rivendell Bicycle Works, Shirley Bikes, and Sonoma Fabrics. When sourcing leather, consider the thickness, feel, and character you want for each accessory. For heavy-duty bags, choose thicker 5 to 6 ounce leather. For wallets, 3 to 4 ounce leather should suffice. Understand the properties of different types of leather, like cowhide, buffalo, and lambskin. This will allow you to choose the best leather for each product. Building relationships with suppliers is vital. Communicate your business goals and projected order volumes. Ask about quantity discounts and specials on remnant pieces. With some negotiating, you can get the best deals on high-end materials. Step 2. Design and create unique accessories. Set your products apart with creative designs tailored specifically for cyclists. Sketch ideas for wallet chains, leather frame wraps, branded saddlebags, and anything else that sparks your imagination. Make some initial prototypes to test for functionality. Then connect with fellow cyclists to get their feedback and improve your designs. Zero in on products that combine practicality and style. Once your designs are finalized, streamline your production process to efficiently create consistent, high-quality products. Take detailed notes on the steps, materials, and tools for each item so they can be accurately replicated. Step 3. Build an e-commerce store. An online store allows you to sell your products to cyclists anywhere in the world. Shopify and WooCommerce are great platforms for building a professional e-commerce business website. On your store, clearly showcase high-quality products and details of each product. Write compelling descriptions that highlight the functionality and craftsmanship of your leather goods. Make the checkout process smooth by integrating payment systems like PayPal or Stripe. Offer reliable shipping carriers with tracking. Make returns easy so customers can shop with confidence. If you need help creating the best website for your business, I've included links to my personal web design agency in the description. You can check out samples of our work as well as reviews our past clients have given us based on the work we've done for them. Step 4. Employ targeted marketing strategies. Get the word out about your amazing products using cyclist-specific marketing. Seek sponsorship with cycling clubs and teams to donate products for fundraisers or swag. Set up a booth or sponsor cycling events to reach more customers. Run Facebook and Instagram ads targeting cyclist enthusiasts in your area. When running Facebook and Instagram ads targeted at cyclists, you need to take into consideration the following: demographics, age. Cyclists tend to be younger adults with the highest concentration in the 25 to 44 age range. Gender. Cyclists are predominantly male, but the number of female cyclists is growing rapidly. Income. Cyclists tend to have higher incomes than the general population. Education. Cyclists are more likely to have college degrees than the general population. Location. Cyclists are more likely to live in urban and suburban areas. Interests. Fitness. Cyclists are interested in fitness and staying active. Outdoor recreation. Cyclists enjoy spending time outdoors and exploring new places. Travel. Cyclists often travel to different places to ride their bikes. Technology. Cyclists are often interested in new technologies for cycling, such as GPS devices and bike computers. Psychographics. Values. Cyclists value health, fitness, and environment. Lifestyle. Cyclists are active and adventurous. Personality. Cyclists are typically goal-oriented and competitive. Ad targeting. When targeting cyclists with Facebook and Instagram ads, use a combination of demographic interest and psychographic targeting. This will help ensure that the ads are seen by the people who are most likely to be interested in the production or services being offered. For example, you could target cyclists who are male, aged 25 to 44, with an income of over $50,000, living in an urban area and interested in fitness and outdoor recreation. Or female, aged 25 to 44, with an income of over $50,000, living in a suburban area and interested in fitness and travel. You could also target cyclists based on their interest in specific brands or products. For example, the business owner could target cyclists who are interested in road bikes, mountain bikes, or cycling apparel. Ad creative. The ad creative should be visually appealing and relevant to their target audience. The ads should also highlight the benefits of the products or services being offered. For example, a business that sells handmade leather cycling accessories could use ads that target high-quality photos of their products and highlight the durability and craftsmanship of their products. The ads could also emphasize the fact that the products are handmade and unique. Ad copy. The ad copy should be clear, concise, and persuasive. The copy should also be relevant to the target audience and highlight the benefits of the products or services being offered. For example, the business that sells handmade leather cycling accessories could use ad copy that says something like, handmade leather cycling accessories that are built to last. Shop our wide range selection of saddlebags, handlebar wraps, and tool rolls today. Call to action. The ad should include a clear call to action such as shop now, leather, learn more, or sign up. For example, you could use a call to action such as shop our collection now. By following these tips, you can create effective Facebook and Instagram ads that will reach the right audience and promote their products or services in a way that is likely to resonate with cyclists. If you need help running ads that will hit the right target and make you real sales, you can also contact my agency. I'll provide the links in the description. Partner with influencers and product reviews and social media shoutouts. Use cycling hashtags and stunning products, photos to ramp up your social media reach. In conclusion, starting a handmade leather accessories business for cyclists lets you blend your passion for biking with the excitement of entrepreneurship, with dedication to skilled craftsmanship and smart marketing tailored to cycling fans. You can grow a thriving and rewarding business. I hope you found these steps helpful for launching your own handmade leather cycling accessories brands. Let me know in the comment section if you have any other questions. I wish you the best of luck in your entrepreneurial journey. I have also included links to a list of vital resources that can help you grow your online business in the description of this video. Be sure to check them out and make use of them. If you found any value in this video, then please don't forget to like the video. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future business entrepreneurship videos. Thank you for watching and ride on.